Hey everyone, now we are gonna unbox these two parcels. So both are for me. So let's first open this brown cover. Okay, so let's open one side. Okay, done. Okay, okay. We have some newspapers for safety, and inside we have a pouch of coin. Let's take out. Okay, here is the pouch. So let's quickly check what we have, and that's all. Few more papers, few more newspapers. That's all inside, nothing more. So let it be aside. So let's open this. I think we have 50 coins inside. 50. So let's open that. Okay, this is one layer, and we have another layer here. Okay, so here we go. This is the second layer. We have one more layer here. It's a cover, I think so. Yes, it's a cover. So the 50 coins what we have here is, you can see clearly, national integration 50 paise coin. All are in verified to XF condition. So we have 50 coins. You can see 50 coins in this lot. So as usual, let's count it. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. And here we go, the 50 coins. So we have 50 coins over here. So let's open another parcel. So let it be aside. Okay. So let's open another parcel. Here we go. So inside, that's all, nothing more. Let it be there. So let's open this box. Got it. Inside we have a special set. I will show what it is. So let me show it last. Another collection we have what inside is, and I think this is a little gift from him. I didn't order this. It's a like kind of gift from him. So let it be that. So the that's all inside. And let's open this soon. I am searching for this only. This is the main part of the main part of this parcel. You can see clearly 1 by 4 rupee, India 1928. This is a UNC condition coin. You can see clearly a very good UNC condition. This type of UNC in this denomination is kind of rare nowadays. You can't get this much UNC condition nowadays in this denomination, that is 1 by 4 rupee. It's hard to find in this denomination. And here we have Republic de San Marino. So this is a set of 1972. You can see here 1972. So let me show you inside what we have. Inside we have a booklet. You can see it's we have some stamps. I mean real stamps. You can see these are all real stamps, and we have a booklet about the coins. So let it be there. And the main part of this set is this, and you can see L500. This is a this one coin is alone silver. I think 83.5% silver coin. Others all normal coins. And as you can see, in India we get this type of UNC set. Similarly, they have in their country of 1972. You can see here 1972 set. It's hard to find even in their country. So another thing, nothing more inside. That's all. Okay, so let me show you a quick review. We have 50 coins of national integration 50 paise, and San Marino set of 1972, and a special coin that is 1 by 4 rupee of 1928. So this is a UNC coin. It's very hard to find. So, and a free gift of 2 coins. So that's all for now. Hope you enjoy the video. Hit the like button.